let's go with some olive oil real quick. I love this wok. Cook everything on it. Pickle. Season it. We go with salt. Black pepper. Paprika. A little bit of chili powder. Just a little bit. And ground cumin. Ground cumin. Let's throw some garlic in there. Alright. And let's throw one whole onion. It was a small onion. Put that all in. You would put whatever beans you want, right? But I got these. Check it out. I was gonna get ordinary beans, but I decided to get these beans in a can. Can't get it to pour out on its own. It's that thick. Let's get it mixed in there. 1 cup of water. See. Check it out. Oh yeah. Woo. So let's finish up this whole cup of water. Definitely. Perfect. Look at that. We're gonna add our tomatoes. I'm going canned too. Look at that. So here's 1 can of diced tomatoes. All right. If you don't like spicy food, you could put bell peppers. If you like spicy food, you could put jalapeno peppers. You could whatever peppers you want. But if you want mild, check it out. This is a PASILLA pepper. It's mild. I'll probably, so I'm just gonna let it simmer. But that's it. That's gonna be the whole ingredient. Let me do a zoom in.